Your affiliate portal is extremely simple to use. When you enter, you will find a summary of the leads and clients enrolled and the conversion rate. Here in the referral tab, you can see the whole list, or you can click, for example, in this case, I'm going to click on clients and I have two. One inactive client, so ones that at some point was a client, leads, and other affiliates also. By the way, in this particular case, we can click show all to show the whole list. You see that this particular person, is a client and also an affiliate. It's just a special case, but it's good to have, so you know, in spite that there is a client, well, it might be also an affiliate. Okay, so that's that. Then here you can communicate with us or any other person, depending who's providing the affiliate portal. Here you can send attachments of any kind. Could be an image, could be something. And this is the other important part. You have here refer a prospect and sign up a client. It's a huge difference, and this one is the one that usually you're gonna use as an affiliate, because it is the shortest way, has the basic data. You can put here your comments, you can put more comments if you want. I mean, it can be long, and that's it. And you can even attach a document or something as appropriate, and then you click here, and internally it will come with the affiliate ID. So essentially the recipient, whether it is us or someone else, will know who's the affiliate that is generating this lead. This one, sign up a client, is for certain types of referrals because it's more extensive. Usually you don't want to fill in this application because it's pretty long and tedious. In some cases it might be necessary, depending what is the interaction from the company and the affiliate. But the refer prospect is extremely easy, as you can see, and is the one that you should use. If in any event, if you speak Spanish, you can put it in Spanish, and then it will be translated into Spanish. Okay, so you can do same thing but in Spanish. And that's all. That's the way the affiliate portal works. Thanks.